Example number 2.9. 45 gram of ethylene glycol, formula is C2H6O2, is mixed with 600 gram of water. Calculate first the freezing point depression and second the freezing point of solution. Now for this, what we have to do? Here they have asked to find out the freezing point depression and the freezing point of the solution. Now first of all, freezing point depression, for that we have the formula, and that is delta TF equals to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. Now the value of Kf for the water, we have to remember, is 1.83 K kilogram per mole. Similarly, the value of W2 is also given. It is written that 45 gram of ethylene glycol, so just take 45 gram of ethylene glycol. Molecular mass of ethylene glycol is, if you calculate, you get 62 gram per mole. And weight of solute is also given, which is known as W1. It is 600 gram. Now use all these values to find out the delta TF. So we have delta TF equals to 1.83 into W2, that is 45 into 1000 divided by 62 into 600. With the help of calculator, if you calculate, the answer which you get is 2.21. Now the unit may be Kelvin, or degree Celsius. It depends on the answer of MCQ. Barabar. First we get the freezing point depression. Now to find out the freezing point of solution, we know that freezing point of water is water T0F equals to 273.15 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius. So freezing point of solution equals to, now freezing point of solution, here we are denoting it by TF, equals to T0F minus delta TF. So we get T0F is 273.15 minus 2.21. Answer will be 270.94. Unit is Kelvin. For degree Celsius, TF in degree Celsius equals to 0 degree minus 2.21. Answer is minus 2.21 degree Celsius. This is the answer.